What's up, everyone? It's your pal Ukulele here again. Last time we rocked out with the C and F chords and strummed a sweet tune together. Right, well, buckle up. 'Cause today we're adding some new chords to our jam session. Before we dive in, let's make sure that ukulele of yours is tuned up nice and tight. If you're just joining or need a little refresher, no worries at all. Just scoot on back to our previous videos and you'll be all caught up in no time. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna hook you up with 3 of the most versatile chords out there, then we'll jam out a real tune using them. First up, we've got a minor chord. Check out the tab on the left. Simple stuff. Just place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. That's all. Hear that? Give it a strum. If it doesn't sound quite right, you might need to fine-tune or check your finger placement. No worries. Just rewind the video and give it another go. Next, we have a minor chord. Put your index finger on the 2nd fret of A string and your ring finger on the 4th fret of C string. All the other strings are played open. Strum it. Feel the depth of that sound. That's the minor chord for you. If it's not sounding perfect, remember, practice makes perfect. Try it again. Last but not least, the G chord. This one's a crowd pleaser. Put your index finger on the 2nd fret of C string, your middle finger on the 3rd fret of E string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of A string. Give it a good strum. That full, rich sound you're hearing is the G chord. If it's a bit off, take a moment to adjust your fingers and try again. Alright, let's dive into some sweet tunes. We're about to groove to the famous pop hit Senorita. But hey, if you need a quick refresher on those trusty old C and F chords, or how to read sheet music, no worries, check out this video. Now, let me kick things off. How was that for ya? If you need to, just hit that rewind button. And when you're feeling good and ready, it's showtime for you. Check out the tabs cheat sheet floating up here by my head. All set, let's roll. Hey there, Rockstar, how'd that first performance feel? I gotta say, for a debut, you nailed it. If you wanna groove even harder, hit that rewind button. Practice makes perfect, my friend. Alrighty, that's a wrap for today's jam session. Next time, we're gonna beef up your chord collection with 2 more gems. But hey, don't be shy. Drop a comment below and let me know how you're feeling about this musical journey. And guess what? If you want to see more of this face, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and ring that bell. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Until then, keep strumming and stay groovy.